What if I told you that just $5 a day could change your entire financial future? In today's video, we are diving into 7 powerful daily habits, each costing less than a cup of coffee, that can make you rich in 2025. Whether you're a student, a 9 to 5 worker, or just getting started, these small actions, done consistently, will create real wealth. So follow me till the end of this video. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Invest $5 a day. The first habit is investing $5 daily into a high-growth asset. Use platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or even crypto apps. $5 a day adds up to $150 a month, that's $1,800 a year. With compound interest, even small contributions can grow into thousands over time. Start with ETFs, fractional shares, or index funds like the S&P 500. Habit number 2. Skill upgrade budget. Next, dedicate $5 daily to skill development. Buy a course, subscribe to educational platforms, or save up for a certification. Skills like copywriting, video editing, and affiliate marketing pay for themselves. You're not spending, you're investing in your ability to earn more. Habit number 3. Micro-business reinvestment. Use your $5 to fund a side hustle. Run a low-budget Facebook ad, boost an Instagram post, or grab tools on Fiverr to help market your brand. Turning small profits into reinvestments is the smartest way to scale income fast. Habit number 4. Build your digital presence. Spend your $5 on growing your online presence, buy a domain name, pay for a thumbnail, or schedule content. In 2025, attention is currency. If you're not building your personal brand, you're leaving money on the table. Habit number 5. $5 challenge, the daily flip. Flip products. Buy something cheap on Facebook Marketplace or a thrift store and sell it for a profit. Even small daily flips can turn into big monthly profits. This is how many millionaires got started, by flipping low-ticket items consistently. Habit number 6. $5 into passive income seeds. Use that $5 to slowly build an asset, like a low-cost ebook, a digital product, or a PLR, private label rights, item you can resell. Eventually, this turns into passive income that brings in money while you sleep. Consistency is the key. Now, before revealing the next habit, for more content on how to grow and build your life to success, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever we drop a new video. Habit number 7. Save and track it visibly. Finally, develop the habit of saving and visually tracking it. Use a finance app like YNAB or simply create a $5 a day jar. Seeing your savings grow is a powerful motivator, and it trains your brain to think long-term. Don't underestimate the power of small habits. Consistency beats intensity every time. Comment below which habit you'll start today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to build wealth this year. It's not how much you make, it's how smartly you build your habits. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.